Today I'll be showing you how to manage your accounts on the Microsoft Outlook mobile app. First, you'll need to install Microsoft Outlook onto your device from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once that's finished installing, go ahead and open the app. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be immediately prompted to enter your email address. After signing in the first time, you'll be asked if you'd like to add another account. In case you weren't invited to add another account when you first signed in, I'll show you an alternative method to do so. Click on the profile icon, and in the top left you'll see an envelope with a blue plus sign. Go ahead and click on that icon, and you'll see the option to add an email account, add a shared mailbox, or create a new account. We're going to go ahead and add a new email account. Go ahead and type in the information for your new email account. Once you've signed into your new account, it'll display as an icon in the top left portion of the app. You can switch between which inboxes you'd like to view by clicking on their respective icons. You can even view all of your inboxes at the same time by clicking on this home icon. If you'd like to delete an email address from your app, you can click on the settings icon, which is displayed as a gear, and under mail accounts, click on the email address you'd like to remove, and then select delete account there at the bottom. You can either delete it from this device or all of your devices. And that is how to manage your accounts on the Microsoft Outlook app.